Hey guys, welcome to Log Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your BT Box Office account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your BT Box Office account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address bt.com like this and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of the BT Box like this. And let's accept the cookies. And over here, in order to log into your BT Box Office account from the home page, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the My BT button. When we hover over it, there are a lot of options available for us. You can see if you have not yet created an account on BT Box Office until now, you can sign up for an account from over here, but we will be logging into your account. So let's click on login. And over here guys, you will be required to enter your email address, which is your BT ID as well, and which you had registered on BT Box Office at the time of creating your account like this. And after that, enter your password which you had registered with your account. But if you've forgotten your login details, you can always retrieve it from this button where it says the forgotten your login details. If you click over there, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve your BT ID or your password, whichever you lost. But that being said guys, after entering your BT ID and your password, simply click on login to my BT, and then you'll be signed into your BT Box Office account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.